All right. So if your fitness mats are ready, let's continue. Okay. Now we are going to work 10 minutes the core, and we will use a heat timer of 30 seconds on, we rest 10 seconds. So lie down, bend your knees. Now you're just coming up, raising your shoulders from the ground. So as soon as your shoulders or your mid back is no longer touching the back, you go back slowly. And then you exhale once your shoulders touch the ground. All right, let's go. So right figure 4. Now you come up, you stay on one side. Each time we are twisting. So this elbow to the opposite knee. All right. Okay, on the other side. All right. Now, come up here. Do intertwine your fingers like this. If you want to challenge yourself more, you can raise your heels from the ground. Now you're just twisting. All right. Now, modified is like this. Non-modified is like this. So make sure that your buttocks are not higher than your shoulders. So, and then you push the upper back out. All right. Now, modified, you bend your knees like this, and then the non-modified. All right, let's go on the other side. The same exercise. So if you did the modified on the previous side, you also have to do the modified on this side. All right. Now, lie down, bend your knees and hip, Put your palms at the same height as your shoulders, palms facing down. Then each time you let your knees fall, you come, stop halfway. The next round, we are going on the other side. And keep your shoulders pinned to the ground. Alright. Now we are going on the other side. Let's go. So I'm inhaling when the knees are falling to the side. Exhaling once they are back at the center. Beautiful. Come upright. Nathan, happy Wednesday. So now you stay up here like this. You can just lift the tip of your fingers from the ground as well. Hold tight. Beautiful. Now, we're just coming here, flexing the hip and the knees, just raise from the ground like this. Next one, each time let one leg fall and then you let the other. So alternate heel touch. I know it's not easy, but we can do this. Just do as much as you can. All right. Wonderful. Now, come up here, modified like this, and non-modified, a bit more dynamic. All right, 2 more rounds. Now we just do ankle touches. So I'm stopping halfway and then going to the other ankle. And also lift your upper body from the ground using your core. Beautiful. Final round is here. So for final round, we just do classic crunches. All right. Go slowly back so that you don't hurt yourself. Beautiful. Yes. Well done. Final. Yes. Yes. Tilda Williams saying thumbs up. Penama Nation saying well done. If you want to be among the ambassadors, people supporting this community to grow, all you have to do is to share the workouts with 1 or 2 people, and I will add you among the ambassadors of the Home Fit community. Thank you so much, everybody present. It's always a pleasure. Thank you. Well done. Movement is the best gift to the body. So every second you spend working out, you are building a future stronger self. And if you want to live a healthy, happy life, all you have to do is to keep showing up, gifting yourself a good dose of movement. Yes, Tilda Williams saying yes, strength. Blind guy, his wife, they're alive, saying strength. Richmond, thanks, a great show. Thank you everybody who was here. Thank you so much. And you guys also motivate me. The community is growing, getting stronger. We are on the road to 2K, and you can help the community by sharing with 1 or 2 people. Thank you, and continue to have a lovely, wonderful week. And yes, on Friday we are going to work the cardio and the legs. That will be the focus. And yes, Tilda asked about this drink. This is infused water. I made a video about how I make it. This one has strawberries, red fruits, and ginger. So no added sugar. Let me see. Maybe I can find the video and drop it in the chat. And you can watch it and know how this drink is made. Infused. So I stopped drinking sugared drinks long time ago because sugar is very bad for our health. I see experienced Africans. Well done. Well done also if you did participate, gifting yourself a good dose of movement. All right. I'm having trouble to find how to share, but it's coming. All right, Tilda, I just found the link. That's the drink. That link is of the colored drink. I will be pinning it. Thank you so much, everybody, and have a lovely week ahead. And bye-bye.